NEOGENE, working of on-grid solar PV system. Let's understand how an on-grid or grid-connected solar PV system works. As the name suggests, a grid-connected solar PV system is one in which the solar PV system is connected to the power grid. The entire setup has four basic components: the solar PV panels, the load, that is your appliances, lights, etc., an inverter that converts direct current to an alternating current, and a grid for main power supply. In addition to this, it can even be monitored in real time using an app. The working of an on-grid solar PV system can be explained through 5 use cases. Solar power generated equal to load requirement. When solar power generated is equal to load requirement, the entire load requirement is supplied solely by the solar PV systems. The power from the grid is not utilized and acts as a standby. Solar power generated greater than load requirement. When solar power generated is more than the load requirement, the existing load demands are supplied first, and the excess power generated will be exported back to the power grid. Solar power generated less than load requirement. When solar power generated is less than the load requirement, all the solar power generated is used to run the loads. The excess demand is powered by the energy from the grid. Solar power generated equal to 0. At night, when solar power is not generated, the entire load demand is supplied solely by the power grid. Absence of grid. During power outages, the inverter shuts down, meaning you don't get power from neither the grid nor the PV system. This is done due to regulatory and safety reasons. The main advantage of a grid-connected PV system is its simplicity, low operating and maintenance costs, and reduced electricity bills. And that's all you need to know about on-grid solar PV systems.